Hello students, today we are going to revise topic isotopes and isobars. What are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different mass number. Now we are taking example here. In case of hydrogen, hydrogen has three isotopes. First is protium. Here name is written hydrogen. First is protium, second is deuterium and third is tritium. In case of protium, means in case of hydrogen, we know atomic number is 1. In case of protium, mass number is 1. Number of proton 1 and number of neutron 0. In case of deuterium, atomic number we know 1 and mass number is 2, means here mass number is different. In case of protium, mass number is 1. In case of deuterium, mass number is 2. Proton 1, neutrons 1. In case of tritium, number of proton 1, neutron are 2 and mass number is 3. So, mass number is different in case of tritium. Means in every case, in case of protium, deuterium and tritium, mass numbers are different, but atomic number is same. Atomic number 1, 1, 1. So next are the applications of isotopes. What are the daily uses of the isotope? In nuclear reactor, uranium, isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactor. And in carbon dating, we are using radioisotopes for carbon dating. Carbon dating means it is used to estimate the age of fossils like dead plants, animals and rocks. Next is the tracer techniques. Tracer technique means radioactive isotopes are used as a tracer in many processes, means in case of medicine, surgery, agriculture, industry, chemistry. In this method, what they are doing in this method? They are taking small amount of radioactive isotope and it is mixed and its movement is studied by measuring radioactivity in different parts. So next is the in treatment of diseases. Some radioisotopes are used in the treatment of diseases. First is the cobalt 60. It is used for the treatment of cancer. Iron isotope means 59. It is used for detecting cases of anemia. Phosphorus 32. It is used for blood cancer, which is known as a leukemia. Iodine 131 isotope, which is used for the detection and cure of disorders of thyroid gland. Next are the isobars. What are isobars? Isobars are different from isotopes. They are the different atoms of different elements having same mass number. They have same mass number but atomic number is different. Okay. In case of isotope, we have studied same atomic number but mass number was different. But in case of isotope, isobars, mass number is same but different atomic number. We are taking example here. Argon. Argon, it has atomic number 18. Mass number is 40. In case of calcium, calcium atomic number is 20. But mass number is 40. Means in both cases, in case of argon and in case of calcium, mass number are 40 but their atomic number, argon atomic number is 18 and calcium atomic number is 20 and they have atomic number different but mass number is same. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.